What's up and welcome to another video. I'm 7beats and today we're gonna create an Afro beat which is inspired by Burna. I just released a new chorus which is available on Udemy. The link is in the description. And this is a chorus which I've created for people who are struggling to get along with my tutorials. So if you're just starting out using FL Studio, I highly recommend you checking out the chorus. This video is also sponsored by Unison and today we're gonna use their beatmaker blueprint sample pack to create the beat. I highly recommend getting this free pack, the link is in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So we're going to use the Unison Beatmaker teaser pack, which is for free. I'm going to check out some of the melody loops. This one is awesome. And drag in the audio files, the Rhodes, and Rhodes 2, like this. And this is the MIDI file, which I'm gonna leave right here. So the BPM is 99, which is perfect for an Afrobeat, so I'm gonna adjust the BPM to 99. And the first step is to link all those elements to the mixer, like this. A little bit of mixing. And just to start off, I'm going to add a shaker loop. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm also going to link this one to the mixer and adjust the volume. So right now I'm gonna add another melody. So I'm going to use Flex, which is a Fruity stock plugin, and I'm going to use a piano, and I'm using this one. So I'm going to use the MIDI file again, this one, MIDI, and then paste it into the arrangement, Control A and Control B, so we have exactly the same melody. And we're going to move this melody around. So I'm going to make the notes shorter. Just to make it a little bit more interesting. And right now I'm gonna add a bass line. So I'm going to use the Ample Bass A, which is a really great bass guitar. And I'm just gonna use the default preset. Open up the piano roll, and I'm gonna drag in this one. Just a melody like this. And then I'm just gonna create a simple this one. So I've made some small adjustments to the notes, play around the volume of some of the notes in between of the transitions, and it sounds like this. Alright, I'm gonna add some drums. So I'm gonna select a kick. I'm just gonna pick the first one, normalize it, and just boost it a little bit, like this. And I remove those high frequencies, those clipping flutes. So this is the first sample, and then I'm gonna add some rim shots. So I'm just gonna drag in this one, and drag in this fire. And I'm going to start off with a simple rhythm. Copy this pattern into this one. And then I'm looking for some percussions. This one. And then I'm going to add an open head. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm using this one. And we're gonna use some stereo separation. So I'm gonna copy this one to this one. So we just cloned it. And then we're gonna pan this one around 50% to the left and this one around 50% to the right. So it sounds like this. So I'm gonna add another rim shot. Using this one, and this pattern just fills up the empty space. I'm gonna just create a 4x4 kick pattern. I'm just gonna add some more tiny percussions, but I'm going to use the African sample pack. Just another layer. And I'm gonna add a jam block. This one, and make sure you add enough elements when it comes to creating those kinds of drum loops. And I'm gonna link my melodies to the mixer and then add some reverb. So adding the Valhalla vintage verb. And right now we're gonna add some more swing. So I'm gonna add around 30% of swing. And I'm also going to add some reverb to the guitar riff. And I use this room preset mode. And the kick and the bass pattern are covering the same frequency. So we're gonna add some side chaining. So I'm going to link my kick to the ample bass A like this, side chain to this track. I'm gonna select my ample bass A and I'm gonna open up a fruity limiter. I'm gonna select compression, side chain 1, and then we're gonna adjust the knee ratio and the threshold. And set the release to around 60 or 50 milliseconds. I will now just adjust the threshold. So right now I'm going to separate the elements and create an arrangement. Right now I've created a simple arrangement and it's just to show you how you can create a build-up and create different transitions using the samples from the sample pack. So I hope you guys enjoy the beat. I've added some effects, so I've added a roll, a swipe up and a clip. Keys are coming in. So that's it when it comes to the beat. So I've added some more elements. So it's this break, this swipe up nice effect, and the clap. And that's basically it for a tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to download this free FOP, the link is in the description. And hope to see you guys in the next video.